Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Greetings. Alishanmao here. Welcome back to more RC gasoline action, people. In this video, I'm going to introduce this beauty sitting right here. Came all the way from RCModelz. This is a Rofun Baja AS1. It is something that is already upgraded according to your dreams, and you don't have to put any upgrade parts on it. And what's more, this one is running a 36cc gasoline powerhouse. So in this video, I'm gonna show you all about this buggy, from unboxing to its first setup, to make this 36cc beautiful engine sing for the first time. Rofun Baja AS1. What a beauty in green right here on my table. Now, let me just quickly show you what came in the box. It comes with FS-GT3B radio control system. It has a LCD screen and all the goodies that you can program. It's a 3-channel radio control system, and you can configure up to 10 models, 10 RC vehicles or boats with this one. Okay, you have a user manual, have an antenna tube and a bind plug. We have Rofun Racing stickers. We have an instructional manual for your 1/5 scale gasoline bad boy right here. Okay, we have the spoiler right here with some parts and shims which you can install for extra stability. We'll talk about that later. We have a USB charger for your receiver battery charging. Before, it used to be 3-plug wall adapter, but now they are supplying this one, which is very convenient because I can use a power bank and charge the RX battery anywhere. All right, we have these extra parts, CV boots right here, just like you see here. Okay, we have some extra spares here. We have a tool set, and I feel this tool set is more than enough for you to do many of the daily tasks with your buggy right here. And this buggy also comes with oils. So we have air filter oil, shock oil, and differential oil that actually comes with this buggy. Okay, we have a fuel mixture bottle. Trust me, this is a lifesaver. Mixes the fuel really nice and easy. And we have 4 beautiful tires ready to shred the terrain. And don't forget a spare air filter as well, in red. In black is already installed right there. Now, starting with the sole, esto tiene alma, as I say. This has a 36cc gasoline engine, air cooled, running with 2-stroke engine oil, which you have to mix, and it is very easy to mix. Once again, you're looking at a tune pipe that sings beautifully for you on this buggy. Now, the carb is a bit different on this one. Is Walbro 1191 carb with choke, which you're watching it right here, and the low speed and high speed needle with idle speed screw right there. It also has, of course, the primer bubble. It was very easy to start this engine. Trust me, this engine started on the 2nd pull, mashallah. All right, look at those thick, strong nylon arms, upper arms, lower arms. They are definitely gonna get a lot of abuse with a smile. And 9mm drive shaft with boots, CV boots installed on top, and of course down there as well. Now look at these upgraded shocks on this buggy, and you're gonna appreciate it because this buggy's suspension is gonna make you happy. Now, they are adjustable oil fill shocks, okay, but notice that they have a CNC alloy cap, CNC alloy bottoms, and even springs. All right, so they are strong, really nice and strong, and they are fully adjustable, both on the front and rear, so you can actually adjust the ride height and suspension the way you want. This out upgraded hardened main chassis on this buggy, a big digital 45-kilogram steering servo sitting right there, twin linkage arm on the throttle and brake servo right there. These are digital servos and they perform really quick, and I simply love the smooth performance and operation of these servos. So far, I'm simply loving it. Coming to the wheels, 6-spoke wheels once again with heavy duty bead lock and bow tie tires on the front and on the rear both. Now the buggy is also running an alloy differential, okay, which at the moment I cannot open and show you because I don't have to repair it for now, but it has alloy clutch bell carriers and of course alloy differentials as well. On this upgraded buggy, the features list is really long. You also see a steel sway bar back there for better stability during driving. And once again, very visible alloy parts on this buggy, on the back and on the front. So this is something like the way you wanted to upgrade this baby is actually already upgraded for you. So the buggy actually comes without tires installed for safety reason during the shipment. It is very easy to install the tire. Just remove the foam from here, okay, and remove that nut. Notice, raise the spots right here. This is the side which will go towards the tire, towards the wheel, so it will not slip on it. All right, the tires have a hex installed in there which will fit on this hex, so easy peasy lemon squeezy. Just put it up, give it a good tightening, and I think I would like to put some Loctite on it because I don't want to see this tire taking over my buggy during the drive. Okay, so similarly, all the tires you can install very quickly. Wider tires are on the back, okay, the thinner ones are on the front. Installing the spoiler is very easy. Put these plugs in. Okay, and then the pins, as I've shown in my previous video, lock it right here. It's easier to put it in the last hole and lock it. Okay, so there's no rocket science, you can easily do it. All right, the spoiler installed. Now next step, if you want to put on the Baja stickers, go ahead, or these stickers, go ahead, knock yourself out with that, but I'll just leave them pure just like this. All right, next step, let's check the air filter has oil or not. It's dry like our deserts here. So make sure to oil the air filter before you actually use the buggy. The oil is right here with the in this bag, and it came with the buggy. All right, now let's add 8 AS1 batteries. 8 AS1 batteries. Right here you have the plug, all right, the connector. So put it in and plug the charger. Starts charging. So charge the battery before the first use. Make sure it's fully charged. You can program everything right from here with these dials and buttons. You have steering and throttle trims just here for you to easily set them up. You also have channel 3 and channel 3 trim and dual rates. Very useful, this trimmer right here, because I can set the steering dual rate right away. Remember the rule of thumb from your neighborhood friendly alishanmao right here. Always first turn the radio on. This turns on first, this turns on second. When turning off, you turn this off first, this turns off last. Okay, remember, because if you didn't set the fail-safe right and you turn the radio off, maybe your buggy will start going full throttle and you will be running after it. Hope you have rocket speed. Okay, so make sure power the radio on, and we will power this on. Okay, check. For me, what I do is I will set 85% dual rates on the steering. Very easy to set using this trimmer right here. Okay, now check the throttle. See this servo right here working. Check the brakes, and for that we'll put the buggy down. Oh man, this baby is heavy. Let's test the brake. So move the buggy on your table and check the brake. Brake is all the way up. All right, yeah baby, that is gonna be a screeching, beautiful screeching drifting stop. All right, now most important, check the fail-safe. This is what you must do. All right, power off the radio and your buggy should stop. Look, if your fail-safe is set right, the buggy will not go anywhere. Just in case if your buggy goes out of control range or your radio turns off accidentally, your buggy will not run away. All right, so all tested, all set. Now I'm gonna apply the air filter oil, and we'll get the fuel mixed. Okay, I will show you how I'm mixing the fuel. We'll add the fuel, we'll fire up this 36cc engine and see what beautiful song it's gonna sing. Because esto no es eléctrico, esto tiene alma, and this soul needs to sing. Fill it with the oil. We have just mixed the oil. All right, and start the engine for the first time. If you look here at the carburetor, I have not touched the idle speed. I have not touched the low speed or high speed needles. This is all factory settings. I have not touched anything, because normally on the factory settings you can start the engine and break it in. Tuning comes later. All right, so now let's fill the oil. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, power on the radio and power on the buggy. Now prime the engine. The fuel is in the pipe, the fuel is in the bubble. All right, now we're going to put the choke down. Okay, this is up, this is down, and we're going to pull the starter one or twice until we see the engine is firing up or not. Now to pull the starter, some people just directly from here, boom. Nah, don't do that, because you're going to hurt it. So put your hand on top here and make sure the buggy is on a block so wheels are free. Okay, hold the starter until it locks here. Okay, there's slack, so don't pull with the slack. So pull it up a little bit slack and then yank it up nice with force. Okay, one. Oh, I just heard the pop, right? So this means engine says, I'm ready, baby, I'm ready. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here we go. Ready? People, I hope I have described everything about the AS1 buggy. Still, if you think I have missed anything out, if you have any questions, please feel free to comment on this video and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. We cannot keep these buggies this clean. We're gonna bring them out and como si fuera robado. And of course, if you would like to know more about this entry-level buggy right here, but it's still running a powerful 29cc engine, go ahead, check out the videos on my channel. Hasta la próxima. Viva la gasolina.